In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend your stay on Airbnb, a full guide to make the process as smooth and stress-free as possible. Whether you've fallen in love with your vacation spot or need some extra time for business, extending your Airbnb stay is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through each step. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Airbnb website. Open up your browser and navigate to Airbnb's homepage. Once there, make sure to log into your account. Simply click on the login button at the top of the page and enter your credentials. It's essential to use the account you made the original booking with, as this is where your reservation details are stored. Now that you're logged into your account, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Trips. This section is where all your past and upcoming reservations are conveniently listed. Find the trip you wish to extend and click on it. Once on the reservation page, look for the options titled Show More Trip Details or Manage Trip. Both options will take you where you need to go, though depending on the layout, you might see one option over the other. This section houses all the specifics of your stay from check-in times to host contact information. Moving along, you'll want to locate the Change or Cancel option. Clicking here will present you with choices related to altering your booking. From the options provided, select Change Reservation. This is the crucial step that allows you to adjust your check-in or check-out dates. It's important to double-check the availability to ensure your extended stay doesn't conflict with other reservations. Once in the date editor, go ahead and choose your new desired checkout date. Take your time to ensure these dates align with your plans. After making your selection, it's equally important to review any price changes that come with extending your stay. Airbnb will automatically calculate any additional costs, so be prepared for potential price adjustments. Satisfied with how everything looks? Wonderful. Click on Request Change. This step sends your request to the host, who needs to confirm your extension. Now comes the waiting game. It's up to the host to approve your request. Once they do, expect a confirmation email and notification through the Airbnb app. Keep an eye out for these, as they will affirm that your reservation has been successfully updated to reflect your new dates. Congratulations, you've successfully taken steps to extend your Airbnb stay. With this guide, you now have the confidence to extend your adventures or your work commitments seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy Airbnb adventures.